Hello, today I will guide you on how to open Excel workbook files. Step 1. Open Microsoft Excel. If Excel is not already open, launch it from the Start menu or desktop. Step 2. Go to the File tab. Click on the File tab in the top left corner of the Excel window. Step 3. Select Open. In the left panel, click Open to access file opening options. Step 4. Find and open your workbook. If the file was recently used, it may appear in the Recent section. Otherwise, click Browse, locate your file, select it, and click Open. Once the workbook opens, you can start editing or analyzing your data. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helps and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.